Drugs acting on central nervous system. Drugs acting on central nervous system have a major therapeutic and clinical importance. Drug can produce the diverse pharmacological and psychological effects such as induction of anesthesia, relief of pain, prevention of seizure, reduction of anxiety, and treatment of depression. What are the sedative and hypnotics? Sedative are the drugs that reduce the excitations, cause the drowsiness, and calm the person without inducing the sleep. Whereas the hypnotics are the drugs that produces the sleep which resemble into the natural sleep. This is a classification of sedative and hypnotic drugs. We have benzodiazepine. This benzodiazepine again classified into three categories. Hypnotics like a diazepam, flurazepam, nitrazepam, temazepam. Anti-anxiety like a diazepam, alprazolam, lorazepam, and anticonvulsant like a diazepam and lorazepam. We have barbiturate, long-acting, short-acting, and ultra-short-acting barbiturate. Long-acting like a phenobarbital, mefobarbital, short-acting pentobarbital, butabarbital, and ultra-short-acting like a thiopentane. Newer drugs like a zolpidem, zopiclone. Chemically, it is not, it is different from the benzodiazepine, but the produces effect through the GABA and produces the hypnotic type of the effect with minimal anti-anxiety and anticonvulsant responses. And miscellaneous agent, melatonin, ramiltion, paraldehyde, chloralhydrate, etc. This is a GABA receptoric diagram. How this benzodiazepine and hypnotic drug produces the effect. GABA is the inhibitory neurotransmitter of the central nervous system. Benzodiazepine, non-benzodiazepine, and barbiturate bind to the GABA chloride channel. Benzodiazepine and non-benzodiazepine leads to increase the duration of frequency of a chloride channel, whereas the barbiturate increase the duration of chloride channel opening in neuron leads to the hyperpolarizations and CNS depression. This is the therapeutic uses of sedative and hypnotic. Sedative and hypnotic drug produces the sleep and also increase the sleep time. Also, benzodiazepine used as a diagnosis purpose and many more major minor operative surgical procedures like the fracture reductions or endoscopic type. These sedative hypnotic drugs like the midazolam or the diazepam used as a pre-anesthetic medications and IV anesthesia because of their sedations and anxiolytic and amnesic properties. Diazepam responsible to produces the reduce the muscle tone and use as a skeletal muscle relaxant by the central mechanism. Sedative hypnotic drugs also used in alcohol withdrawal symptoms or the drug withdrawal cases to reduce the intensity of the drug withdrawal symptoms. Sedative hypnotic drugs have the selective anticonvulsant effect. In case of the status epileptics, IV diazepam is the first drug of choice, and in absence seizure, ethosuxinamide is the first drug of choice, and also used in treatment of anxiety and management of insomnia. Barbiturate is the phenobarbital, which is a microsomal enzyme inducer drugs. This microsomal enzyme inducer drugs responsible to enhance the synthesis of gluconyl transferase, which required the metabolism of bilirubin cases so that it helped to clear the bilirubin in a neonate. Benzodiazepine have the wide margin of safety. They are generally well tolerated, but also produces the drowsiness, confusion, vertigo, amnesia, lethargy, weakness, headache, blood vision. Day-night sedation is more common and impairment in motor coordination. So that while driving should not be used the benzodiazepine like a diazepam, lorazepam type of the drugs. Dry mouth, sweating is more common. If the repeated or long-term administration of benzodiazepine may cause the tolerance, cross-tolerance and dependence type of the effect, and also produces the drug abuse. If it is used in a newborn cases or if it is used in mother, then it causes the respiratory depressions and floppy baby syndrome type of the effect in newborn. This is most frequently asked question in Viva. Why the benzodiazepine are preferred over the barbiturate as a sedative hypnotics? Benzodiazepine induces the sleep which is more closely resemblant to the natural sleep and less hangover as compared to the barbiturate. Benzodiazepine have the highest safety margin and lower abuse liability as compared to the barbiturate. And in case of the overdose, we have a benzodiazepine antagonistic agent like the fumazoline. We can use the fumazoline to reverse the symptoms like the hypnosis or cognitive caused by the benzodiazepine. And repeated administrations of benzodiazepine may cause the tolerance, psychological or physiological dependence or withdrawal symptoms is much more less as compared to the barbiturate. And one more important concept related to the benzodiazepine is that benzodiazepine do not cause the microsomal enzyme induction. So there is no increase in drug blood level of another drug. So there is less drug-drug interaction. Antiepileptic drug. This is the next important topic in CNS and mostly asks short note on status epilepticus. Then what is meant by epilepsy? Epilepsy is also the group of disorders of CNS characterized by the seizure with or without convulsion and with a sensory or psychiatric phenomena. And seizure is the brief episode of loss or disturbances of the consciousness. Broadly, epilepsy are categorized into two groups, generalized seizure and partial seizure. This generalized seizure again categorized into three groups, like a generalized tonic-clonic seizure means grand mal epilepsy, obscene seizure, myoclonic seizure, simple partial seizure, and complex partial seizure in classified into partial seizure. One more important concept related to epilepsy is the status epilepticus. It is the neurological medical emergency which is characterized by the recurrent attack of tonic-clonic seizure without the recovery of consciousness in between the attack. We'll see the treatment plan afterward. On the basis of mechanism of action, these antiepileptic drugs are classified into three categories. Drug which decrease the neuronal excitability by delaying the recovery from the sodium channel inactivations, like a phenantoin, carbamazepine, valproate, lamotrigine, topiramate. Then drugs which decrease the low threshold calcium current, like the ethosuxinamide or valproate. Drug which enhance the inhibitions through the GABA is the barbiturate, benzodiazepine, valproate. You all are aware about the barbiturate and benzodiazepine mechanism of actions. They bind to the GABA receptoric chloride channel, and benzodiazepine leads to increase the opening of a chloride channel, and barbiturate leads to increase the duration of opening of a chloride channel and result in hyperpolarization. These antiepileptic drugs act by one or more mechanisms like a phenantoin, carbamazepine, oxycarbamazepine, sodium valproate, lamotrigine, topiramate. These drugs bind to the voltage-dependent sodium channel and prevent the further entry of sodium ion into neuron and cause the membrane stabilizing type of the effect and also inhibit the generation of repeated action potential and reduce the spread of seizuric attack. Some more drugs are the ethosuxinamide, which is the best drug of choice for the obscene seizure, and valproate. They are produces the effect by the blocking of low threshold calcium current, and barbiturate, benzodiazepine, valproate also produces the effect by blocking of inhibition, enhance the inhibition by the GABAergic receptoric mechanism. This chart summarizes the different types of epilepsy, first choice of the drugs and alternative drugs. We have tonic-clonic seizure in grand mal epilepsy. In this case, first line of drug treatment is the carbamazepine, phenobarbital, phenantoin, valproic acid, and alternative drugs is the trimodulin, topiramate, pramintone. Simple partial seizure, in this case, simple partial and complex partial seizure, first drug of choice is the carbamazepine, phenantoin, valproic acid. And alternative drugs or second line drug is the gabapentin, lamotrigine. In obscene seizure, ethosuxinamide is the best drug of choice or considered as a first drug of choice, and alternative drug is the clonazepam. Monoclonic seizure, in this myoclonic seizure, in this case, valproic acid is the first drug of choice and clonazepam is the alternative drug of choice. And we'll discuss the status epilepticus step-by-step treatment plan. Coming to the therapeutic uses of phenantoin, this phenantoin considered as a major anti-epileptic drugs. It is not a CNS depressant, but at the therapeutic dose it causes the sedation and at a toxic dose it causes the excitations. Phenantoin is used as a first-line drug treatment for the grand mal epilepsy, simple partial seizure, complex partial seizure as a first choice of the drugs. It is not at all used in absence seizure. It is also play an important role in a status epilepticus as an alternative to diazepam. Phenantoin also used in treatment of digitalis caused cardiac arrhythmias and also the second line drug after carbamazepine for the treatment of the trigeminal neuralgia. Adverse effect of phenantoin is depends on the dose, duration of responses and route of administrations. Repeated administration of phenantoin may cause the hypertrophy and hyperplasia of the gum. It is an important side effect related to the dentistry. Hypersensitivity reaction is more common. Hirsutism is mainly caused due to increase of androgen secretions. Endocrine side effect like the hyperglycemia, osteomalacia and hypocalcemia. Osteomalacia and hypocalcemia occurs due to the increase the metabolism of vitamin D and calcium. Megaloblastic anemia is more common because of interference with the metabolism and excretion of a folate. If it is used in a pregnancy, it also causes the fetal Haddon-Toyne syndrome, which is characterized by the cleft lip, cleft palate, and digital hypoplasia. And in higher concentration or the higher doses, phenantoin also causes the GI-related side effect like the nausea, vomiting, epigastric pain. And one more important side effect with a higher concentration in CNS related is the cerebral vestibular manifestations, which is characterized by the ataxia, dizziness, mental crowding, drowsiness, nystagmus type of the effect. And only in a IV administration, it causes the hypotensions and cardiac arrhythmia in a higher concentrations. This slide summarizes the treatment plan of status epilepticus. This status epilepticus is the neurological emergency conditions which is characterized by the recurrent attack of the tonic-clonic seizures. In this case, lorazepam is the first drug of choice, 0.1 mg per kg IV, slow administrations, or diazepam 10 mg IV slow administration, and repeat after 10 minutes if necessary. This lorazepam produces the sustained anticonvulsion effect as compared to the diazepam. So lorazepam and diazepam considered as a first line of treatment for the status epilepticus. Then fosphenytoin in 20 mg per kg IV can be recommended. This under the supervision of under the monitoring of ECG. Second, if it is not controlled or if it is not respond to the fosphenytoin drugs, then phenantoin 20 mg per kg IV infusion can be recommended. Because fosphenytoin is also the slow acting drugs. And another is the barbiturate like a phenobarbital 10 to 15 mg per kg IV infusion can be recommended. It is also the slow acting drug and used as an alternative to slow acting drug treatment. If it is not control the seizuric attack, then GA, general anesthetic with IV midazolam or propofol can be given to the patients. And finally, general measures are the play an important role, the maintenance of the airway, blood pressure, fluid and electrolyte balance. After the stoppage of drug seizures, long-term anti-epileptic drugs are needed. Most important topic as in a dentistry is the